Hi viewers, take heart to give what you have received. A happy morning to you all. Today I am going to discuss about future tense. First of all, to revise and to recollect what are tenses. Tenses are a set of forms of a verb that indicate the time or completeness of the action expressed by the verb. So, whenever we think of tenses, we have to keep in our mind two words. They are action and the time. Action and the time. Then only we will be able to use the appropriate tense in the appropriate situation. Okay. Now, future tenses: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. First one is simple future tense. It expresses the future action as fact. For example, it will be October in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, October, month of October will come. So it is a fact which will happen, which will take place in the future. So we have to use simple future tense in that cases. In second case, it expresses our assumption in future. What we assume, what we guess. Okay, for example, I think in 5 months we will buy a car. In 5 months we will buy a car. Okay, that we are guessing, we are planning. Okay, we are assuming. The second one is future continuous tense. It is used when the action that will be going on or in progress for a short period of time in the future. So future action that will be continuing for a short period of time. For example, we will be going for a party tomorrow by this time. So tomorrow by this time we are mentioning the short period of time, and the action will be in progress. Okay, so in that cases we have to use future continuous tense. Third one is future perfect tense. It is used in the case where the action that will be over in a certain time in future. So in a future certain time, the action will have been completed. For example, you will have completed your course by next year. So by next year, you will have completed your course. Okay. So in a certain period of time in future, the completion of course is mentioned. So in that case, we have to use future perfect tense. Fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. It is used when the action that will be going on or in progress for a long period of time in the future. So when we mention an action that will have been going on for a long period of time in the future and that will be in progress, we will have to use future perfect continuous tense only. For example, Sita will have been working in this company for 6 years. Okay, so it's a long period of time process. So we have to use future perfect continuous tense. Okay, so dear viewers, learn it, command it for the further development, and I hope in the next video I will be producing worksheets and the errors that we commit in general, especially in tenses, that we will be discussing in the next video. So please do subscribe, support, and share with your friends, and let it become part of your learning process. Thank you and have a nice day.